Where's the ratchet?
I see you already spilled coolant all over the place.
Yep, I did. So there is a drain plug on the bottom of the radiator.
And then we can lower it down so it has a good, so it's not all up in the engine.
Good idea. Looks kind of gross.
Man, that coolant is interesting color.
Yeah, I mean, that is an interesting color.
Okay, they just pop this off. And take the thermostat out.
Oh shit. Is it still like, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Okay, so ended up taking the turbo off. That was so I could reach the bell housing bolts. There's two of them that are beside the turbo that it would have just been easier just to take the turbo off so I could actually get to those bolts. So the turbo is off. I have two of the bell housing bolts off. It is hot as shit out here and stale. Like there's no breeze at all. So I'm gonna go inside and take a shower because it is 100% needed right now. Okay, so today I am going to take out the remaining bell housing bolts and hopefully get that all done because that is the last thing that is keeping the engine from coming out. So once these bolts are out, I'm gonna have Philip come and help me pull the engine. So we might be able to get to pull the engine today, depending on how he feels when he gets back from work. So we shall see. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the up pipe to get to these bolts. So I'll show you why. So here's the up pipe right here. That bar is in the way of me getting to that bolt and the bolt underneath that. So I'm gonna take off the up pipe. So in order to do that, I need to take off this V-band clamp right here and unplug the exhaust gas pressure sensor thing right here, which is this. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be able to get to these two bolts on this side of the engine. Okay, I'm gonna take off the up pipe, get some of this stuff out of the way. Up pipe is out. And also have the dump tube out. So I'm gonna put these in the car. Okay, so now that the up pipe is out, I should be able to reach these two bolts. So here's one and there's the other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these out. Okay. All right. Done on that side. Let's do this side. Okay, well, that. It is really fucking hot. I am, if you can tell, that I am drenched in sweat, as were my gloves when I took them off. It's really gross. Just be thankful I did not record that part. But I got all the bell housing bolts out. Now all that's left to do is unhook the fuel lines and then pull the engine. So Clifford it's getting there. It's very close. So we'll see. Maybe this weekend I can get the engine out. But again, you know, it's not any rush to do this. I don't really have a deadline to get Clifford up and running, but you know, the sooner the better.